Princess Kate does not feel the need to repair relations with her brother-in-law, Prince Harry, a royal expert has claimed. The Princess of Wales was previously earmarked as a potential peacemaker between Prince Harry and Prince William as the brothers hit a rocky stage. Recommended by Ellen DeGeneres and Portia de Rossi Flipping Montecito, California, home-sponsored, Ellen DeGeneres and Portia de Rossi Flipping Montecito, California home. Mansion Global. China revises conscription law, eyeing Taiwan conflict sponsored. China revises conscription law, eyeing Taiwan conflict. Nikkei Asia. However, the mother of three received a few broadside shots from the Duke of Sussex when he released his highly anticipated Megxit memoir, Spare, in January. And royal commentator has suggested Kate will not entertain her brother-in-law when Harry returns to the United Kingdom for the King's coronation later this week. True Royalty founder Nick Bullen said, "After Harry said so much about Kate and Spare, and about Camilla, the extended family, his stepmother, his sister-in-law, none of them really feel the need to follow up with a conversation." Despite the Duchess of Sussex not attending the coronation, Bullen also warned that Kate is not likely to speak to Meghan Markle either. He claimed the Princess of Wales hardly had a stable relationship before the Sussexes relocated to California and stepped down from royal duties. He told US Weekly, "Kate and Meghan, there was never really any relationship beforehand. You'd struggle to find pictures of just them together. There was that moment at Wimbledon, and that's about it. They have no need to speak to each other." The quartet, who appeared together outside Windsor Castle following Queen Elizabeth's death last September, were dubbed the Fab Four in the early days of Meghan's arrival to the royal family. Kate and Harry also maintained a close relationship at the time, with the princess even bringing the Duke closer to William at Prince Philip's funeral in 2021. The Princess of Wales also accompanied Prince Harry to events under the banner of the Royal Foundation. The Duke of Sussex once complimented Kate by claiming she was the sister he never had. But Prince Harry made several claims about his sister-in-law in Spare. In a much-disputed account, the 38-year-old claimed his wife was left in tears after Kate allegedly demanded Princess Charlotte's flower girl dress be remade. Harry also accused his brother and sister-in-law of encouraging him to wear a Nazi uniform to a fancy dress party. In a segment of his memoir, the Duke wrote, "I phoned Willie and Kate, asked what they thought. Nazi uniform, they said. Worse than Willie's leotard outfit. Way more ridiculous." Which again was the point. The Princess of Wales was reportedly left hurt and frustrated by Harry's allegations, with an insider telling OK, "Kate doesn't even recognize this person Harry's become."